guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mama Kate Joyce Vlogs, and also welcome to my page, Kate Mary's 4052, and also on my Instagram, Kate Mary's 4052, Kate Mary's 4052, and on my TikTok, Kate Joyce Mary's. So, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to open this. We received this box. Tanggap namin kanina. Sabi ko, saan kaya galing to? So, nalaman ko meron palang nagbigay sa amin ng gift, regalo. So, bubuksan natin kung ano kasi hindi ko alam kung ano itong laman. Kagaya kagabi nagbukas din ako. Pero order ko yon. Ang liit pala, hindi pala yun. Mali yung pagka-order ko. Pero maganda siya. Na yung automatic siya na din, pero maliit pang office siya or sa yung pang maliit lang na hindi sa pang malakihan. So, bubuksan natin to guys, kung anong laman ito. So, what's inside? I don't know really what's inside. So, we're going to open it. Someone gave us this. And thank you very much for the one who sponsored us to give this. Yeah, God bless you. I'm opening now. It's so big though. See? It's a little big. So, we will find out now what's inside. I said to my hubby, don't open it yet so I can unboxing it when I get home from work. So, after I cook, then I said to myself, I need to open it so I can make my content. Yeah. Ang hirap ng may sakit. Pislango ko guys. Pislango means, that's dialect in our country, in the Philippines. Pislango means may sakit in Tagalog. But in English, I have sick. So, that's, I have flu. So, in Bisaya, Islam na Bisaya, Islango. Islango po, guys. Oh, wow! Wow, we have the new automatic big one. Because the one that I ordered last week, I ordered, it's so small. So, this one is big. So, this is it. And it's, what color this one? Oh, wow! It's nice because it's black. Hindi siya dumihin. Ano to siya guys eh? May butter siya eh. Wow! Big one. So yung gift din sa amin yung kaibigan ko, yung hindi naman automatic, anong ilagay ko na lang doon? Mga bote. Para nakasiparate yung bote tsaka ayan o, ganda. Yes. I love it. Bin. Sensor bin. We call it sensor bin. Kasi ano siya, gaganyan mo lang sa kamay, nag-o-open na siya. So, thank you so much for the sponsor. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you more. God blessings to you guys. Vivant. See? So I need to put this one. So I will try to put the plastic in there. Hang on, I will get the plastic first. So I'll show you guys. Pababaan natin to para makita nyo. So, ayan siya. So, ipapatong ko siya dyan. Metal siya eh. So, ganyan ko guys. Naka-landscape ito kasi nga, pang